Jason with Ironborn Rider. Today in this video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the modifications that I made on my bike. So let's get started. All right, starting first, you know that most Iron 883s have the Vance and Hines short shots. These are fantastic exhausts. Yeah, everybody has them for a reason. It's because they sound good. So I got these Vance and Hines exhausts right out of the dealership. Just kind of threw it in with the package of the bike, that with the exhaust, and I believe the tuner. I think I got a Screaming Eagle tuner. Thought I was getting a Vance and Hines tuner, but I got a Screaming Eagle one, but it's no big deal. So here's the intake as well, beautiful. I love the ones that are right angled and you can see the pipes. I just think it looks aggressive, it looks mean, it looks amazing. Moving right along, you can't see the tuner obviously, but it's been done on the bike, tuned it. Next we'll go to the headlight. I don't remember exactly which headlights these are, but I got them from Amazon, I think for about 40 or 50 bucks. I'll link everything in the description in the video so you guys can pick it up if you want. But really impressed with the brightness. Install was super easy. Took me about maybe half an hour or so. Very happy with the results. And then I also got the fairing. I also bought this on Amazon. I wish that it came in matte black. It's gloss. It'll do for now. Maybe I'll think about upgrading to a larger fairing or something like that in the future. I'll also link this in the description below. Moving to the forks. I haven't done anything really major, but I did want to black out the front here, so you can see that. These right here, normally they're chrome, but I found these like little vinyl wraps on Amazon and they're fit perfectly for the Sportster. I'll also link that in the description so you guys can pick them up if you want. But I just think it looks great. Just got the whole black front going on. Probably going to take these reflectors off at some point. Yeah, they're ugly. I know, they're ugly. I know. Also, I'm gonna need to pick up a new one of these. Came off the bike, I don't know when. It just happens. Let's see, what else do I have? Oh, I got the LED turn signals with the smoke lenses here. Really cool. I'll turn this on in a second and show you guys what it all looks like. When it's just daytime running lights, they're white, nice and bright, but then when you turn them on, they turn orange. I'm sure you've seen them before. Not a big shocker there. All right, so let's keep moving. Got the flush mount gas cap. These are not the right ones. I was kind of lazy. I just bought something off of Amazon, or no, I think it was eBay, just late at night. Wasn't researching. And I think these are for the Softails, but they're on for now. Oh, I also have a little knockoff ram mount. It does the job. It's not sturdy, but I've been on the highway with it and it's not bad. It stays on. What else? All right, here, let me move my helmet. Here, I'm gonna put it on the seat for now. Moving to the back, I also put the LED lights on the back, turn signals. You can see there. I also have these smoke lenses, smoke covers, whatever you want to call them. A little free modification that I did remove the bottom chain cover, or the belt cover. I do also want to take this off at some point in the future as well. I know, everyone does it. I'm a sucker for it as well. I think it just looks better with the belt shown. Yeah. Next, what am I going to show you? What? One of the first things that I picked up when I got the bike, the stock seat is just uncomfortable. I picked up this bike in Baltimore, Maryland, and drove it to Rockville, which is about a good hour ride on the bike, and my ass was just killing me on the ride. So, got the Mustang, I think it's the vintage Solo. I love how comfortable the bike or the seat is on this bike. It does raise you up a little bit, which I think that's a plus in my opinion. I can still flat foot the bike, no problem. Yeah, just so you guys know, it does raise you up maybe like half an inch or so. Yeah, and then so you have this plush seat. I think it's just a huge upgrade over the stock seat. What else can I show you guys? I think the last piece that I can show you is my personal favorite. It's the sissy bar. So I commute a lot from work back to home, and I don't always want to be carrying a backpack. And also I at some point want to go camping, so I need a rack. What can I say? So I found this one off of this guy named Edgar on Etsy. And this was about, I want to say like a little over 200 bucks. I really wanted something tall, and I wanted something that had like the little ledge right here in case I wanted to just stuff a bunch of stuff onto the rack. I personally think it looks awesome on the bike. That I can also link for you guys in the description of the video in case you want to pick him up. I think he's just a regular guy, just like building this stuff out of his garage, but they're fantastic quality. It's probably one of my favorite upgrades after sort of like the stage 1 kit. All right, so there you have it. Those are all the mods that I have on the bike. Again, it's one of the reasons why we buy the Sportster, just because you can really customize the bike to how you want it, to how you like it, in the looks. All right, drop me with any questions that you might have on the mods below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, before I go, I also want to point out, did the tank risers just like everybody else. No big deal there. Doesn't do anything, but just makes the lines a little bit smoother.